Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to Mem Tina. We are a group from 12 Science 2 and this time now we will present you about the explanation text. But before continue our presentation, we are going to introduce the part of the group first. Aina Murfida and Bunga as text maker, Muhammad Irgi and Amanda Zahra as presentators, and Denny Calvin with Elsa as video editors. Our group take a disaster topic called hail. We've already made an explanation text about hail or ice cup rain. Check it out! How does ice cup rain happen? As we know, rain is liquid water in the form of droplets from an atmospheric water vapor and then become heavy enough to fall to the surface. Have you ever seen ice cup fall down from the sky to the ground? Do you know what is that? Hailstones are not frozen raindrops. Frozen rain falls as water and freezes as it nears the ground. Hail actually falls as a solid.
Hailstones are formed by a layer of water attaching and freezing in a large cloud. A frozen droplets begin to fall from a cloud during storm, but is pushed back into the cloud by a strong updraft of wind. When the hailstone is lifted, it hits liquid water droplets. Those droplets then freeze to the hailstone, adding another layer to it. The hailstone eventually falls to earth when it becomes too heavy to remain into the cloud, or when the updraft stops or slows down. Hailstones also do not grow up from being lifted to the top of the thunderstorm. At very high altitudes, the air is cold enough that liquid water will have frozen into ice, and hailstones need liquid water grow to an approximate stage.
Droplets then freeze to the hailstone, adding another layer to it. Well, for the passive sentence is hailstones are formed by a layer of water attaching and freezing in a large cold. The first paragraph of the text is the general statement about rain, and for the second paragraph is the explanation of hail, a solid freezing water rain phenomenon.
Purpose. Explanation text is written to explain how and why something natural or social-cultural phenomenon in the world happened. The text contains the process of sequence of phenomena. Generic structure. The first is title. Second is general statement, starting the phenomenon or issues which are being explained. The third is explanation, starting the series of steps which explain issues or phenomena. The focus on generic structure in the text are rain, water, droplets, and temperature. Present tense in the text is shown like hail is a type of precipitation or water in the atmosphere. The purpose of this text is to tell the readers about how the hail phenomenon occurs.
That's all for our presentation this time. We are sorry if there's any error and mistakes in our presentation. This group is open for any suggestion or critiques for a better performance. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.